Recently, DJ Steve Aoki said that he made more money trading NFTs than he did making music over the last 10 years. The fact is, a few smart NFT trades can lead to life-changing money. The good news is that there are some tools that can help you find those 10x projects early. So here's a look at the top 10 tools to find those winning NFT projects. SuperSea. SuperSea is a Google Chrome extension that will quickly allow you to find the best values in an NFT collection. And this tool integrates the information directly onto OpenSea so you can get all the information that you need right on the marketplace. And some of the top features that SuperSea allows include rarity ranks that tells you how rare an NFT is in the collection, and Quick Buys shows you NFTs will buy now offers, and Scam Protection, which ensures that you are buying an authentic NFT. There's a free version so you can check that version out to see how it works, and if you are looking to buy NFTs for profit, then buying the paid version of SuperSea could be well worth your time. WGMI.io. And this stands for We're Gonna Make It. So this app allows you to organize and aggregate all the NFTs inside your portfolio. In an instant, you can see what the value of your NFT collection is, how much you paid in total for your NFT collection, and your total net gains for the collection. So all of this information is updated in real time to allow you to get a clear picture of your NFT collection's value. Additionally, the program can tell you where you can sell your NFTs and how much you can get for it. So this will be a huge time saver for you as you grow your portfolio and become a more active trader. Dune.XYZ. So here's a free NFT tool that is really beginner friendly. So it's a market data site that will help you get all the information that you need about the current Ethereum NFT market. So with this tool, you'll be able to find hot projects for market sites such as OpenSea, Rarible, and Nifty Gateway. And some of the information that you will find on Dune includes floor prices, project volume, and more. So what's really great about Dune is that you can quickly see which NFT project is pumping so you can get on in before the prices really take off. Nansen. If you are looking for a quick snapshot of the entire NFT market, then you might want to pick up the Nansen app. So basically this app will show you a database which tracks all active NFT projects. The app will show you the volume of each project, including its most recent activity. There is also a feature called Mint Master that will show you any hot mints that are coming up. So the Mint Master includes a FOMO indicator and shows you which whale wallets are buying into new projects. And this is a great place to get started when you are looking for new and noteworthy NFT projects to buy. Nft Scoring. Here's a great free tool that can help you find the next great NFT drop. So with Nft Scoring, you not only get a list of all the upcoming drops, you also get a helpful social metric score. So this is important because the more people who are engaged in a project's social channels, the more likely the drop will be successful. You also get the number of whales following the project, as well as the growth of the project's social metrics over the last 7 days. And this will help you quickly create a short list of NFT drops to follow and buy. Whatsminting.Live. One of the issues with many tools is they may miss some cool projects that are minting, and that's why you might want to make use of this free mint scanner known as Whatsminting.Live. So as the name implies, the tool simply scans the blockchains to see what NFT projects are minting at a given moment. With the tool, you can see what people are minting as well as how much they are paying per mint. Also included in the data are the gas costs, and the great thing about this tool is that you can get up to the minute data since this is basically an uncurated scanner. This is a great tool if you want to be impulsive when you're buying your NFTs. Icy Tools. A tool that also gives you great database information is Icy Tools. So this database will aggregate all of the current NFT projects, including the floor price, volume, recent trade activity, and more. And you'll also get information about upcoming mints to help you narrow down your searches. The mint database will show you how many NFTs are being minted in real life, so you get a sense of the success of a new NFT project. You can also follow different wallets to see what they are buying. So this database is a little simpler than Nansen if you are just starting out. Flips.Finance. If you want to track NFTs that are on the secondary market, then a tool known as the floor scanner can help you. The good news is that there is a great free floor scanner at Flips.Finance, and this floor scanner allows you to track the historical floor prices of hundreds of collections, and this will give you a good indication of which NFTs to buy on the secondary market. This tool will also give you the number of holders in a given NFT collection. Sunspot.Gg. One of the most exciting and potentially rewarding NFT tools are sniping tools. So Sunspot.Gg is a free sniping tool that can alert you when Ethereum NFTs are listed and sold on OpenSea in real time. And this tool can allow you to potentially buy NFTs below a given floor price because someone may list an NFT really cheap or they are unaware of the current floor price. This allows you to be the lucky NFT collector that can buy or snipe that NFT off the market. NFT Go. NFT Go is a database that will give you a bird's eye view of the entire market. So information on NFT Go includes how many traders are entering the market, as well as the market cap and more. So think of it as a coin market cap of the NFT world. They also have a great whale tracking feature that can help you spot hot NFTs. Also, you can take a look at which whale wallets are being tracked by the most people. And what's nice about all of these tools I mentioned in this video is that they're either free or they have a free trial so that you can test them out before buying. And if you liked this video, then you probably like the video that I made recently on the top 5 NFT projects that could explode in 2022. You can click on the card on the screen to watch that. Alternatively, I made another video on the best NFT flipping strategy with under $1,000. It's a huge misconception that you need a massive budget to flip NFTs and make a profit. So you can click on that video to watch that. And whichever video you choose, I'll see you over there.